Friends, mastering all 5 verb forms is essential for conveying the correct time and nature of actions, thereby improving overall language skills. Irregular verbs don't follow standard rules, so knowing their various forms ensures precise expression in different tenses and contexts. Scroll down in the video's description to access the entire playlist. Sing, sang,
Sang,
sings, singing, sink, sunk, sunk, sinks, sinking, sit, sat, sat, sits, sitting, sleep, slept, slept, sleeps, sleeping, slide, slid, slid, slides, sliding, sling, slung, slung, slings, slinging, slit, 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 slits, slitting, smell, smelt, 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 smells, smelling, sow, sowed, sown, sowed, sows, sowing, speak, spoke, spoken, speaks, speaking, speed, sped or speeded, sped or speeded, speeds, speeding, spell, spelled, 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 spells, spelling, spend, spent, spent, spends, spending, spill, spilled, spilt, spilled, spilt, spills, spilling, spin, spun, spun, spins, spinning, spit, spat, spit, spat, spit, spits, spitting, split, 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 splits, splitting, spoil, spoilt or spoiled, spoilt or spoiled, spoils, spoiling, spread, 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 spreads, spreading, spring, sprang, sprung, springs, springing, stand, stood, stood, stands, standing, steal, stole, stolen, steals, stealing, stick, stuck, stuck, sticks, sticking, sting, stung, stung, stings, stinking, stink, stank, stunk, stinks, stinking, stride, strode, stridden, strides, striding, strike, struck, struck, strikes, striking, string, strong, strong, strings, stringing, strive, strived, strove, strived, striven, strives, striving, swear, swore, sworn, swears, swearing, sweep, swept, swept, sweeps, sweeping, swell, swelled, swollen, swelled, swells, swelling, swim, swam, swum, swims, swimming, swing, swung, swung, swings, swinging, take, took, taken, takes, taking, teach, dot, dot, teaches, teaching, tear, tore, torn, tears, tearing, tell, told, told, tells, telling, think, thought, thought, thinks, thinking, throw, throw, thrown, throws, throwing, thrust, 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 thrusts, thrusting, understand, understood, understood, understands, understanding, upset, 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 upsets, upsetting, wake, woke, woken, wakes, waking, wear, wore, worn, wears, wearing, weep, wept, wept, weeps, weeping, win, won, won, wins, winning, withdraw, withdrew, withdrawn, withdraws, withdrawing, withstand, withstood, withstood, withstands, withstanding, write, wrote, written, writes, writing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.